bro. Chill now. Good.
Bro, you see y'all niggas like y'all good, bro. I'm telling you,
I know.
the reason why I'm pissed is because shit was not like this before shit got on the internet, bro.
I know.
That's why I'm pissed. If you really want to, you would have done that shit all free, man. You would have done that shit all free. You would have done that shit all free, bro. And then when I start wilding, I look like the bad guy, bro. Alright? Alright. What if my mother, you was good the whole day, bro, until niggas got your head? You was.
You know what made me upset?
The internet, right on your dick, right? The internet on your dick, bro. That's why, bro. I don't like that, bro.
I'm still not finished, though.
Look, if you really had a problem with, bro, Davis, what am I dead? If you really had a problem with your room, you could have came to me and been like, yo, bro, I really got know what to say. I would have, you know what, bro? I would have heard you out and you did it. I probably wouldn't even help you even find somewhere else to just react for momentarily. Yes, and you would have came to me. Go ahead.
Yo, he would have gave me some breach or something.
Run it back. Run it back. You dragging it, bro. Run it back. Let's go.
Next work that goes off, I'm telling y'all.
Telling you, bro. You know I'm not stopping. I don't give no fucks.
Listen, I'll say this. That one was in the hole.
This shit, like, what do you gain from this?
Okay. Y'all even now. Y'all even. 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 I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up. Y'all even.
Yo, besides this, all this other shit that's going on, you still evading tax, man. Nigga, I seen that.
Oh my God.
Nah,
Come
nigga.
on now.
Yo, it is the time. It's always the
What
time.
niggas think?
I didn't even know.
Cause I seen the clip, nigga. You went up. You went up. It wasn't even like 15.
If that nigga talking,
Everybody's paying 15. Everybody's paying 15.
I mean, you want to do this one? How you know this? I'm just asking.
Oh, that gotta be ass.
Bro, and it's right by my room, bro.
yeah, bro.
No, nigga, just clean
I'll clean it up. I'll
bitch
clean it up.
ass
I'll just get them out.
Stop, bro.
I'm good. Nigga, I told you, I'm only going to Pico.
My sweet cold, bro.
How am I supposed to sleep here?
Yeah.
You gonna be taxing niggas extra, bro?
Yeah, bro.
I mean,
Right now, my
taxing niggas extra, bro.
Whenever
Davis, are you done now?
I feel good now. I can't let myself down.
Even though you still got that one right there, though.
I still do it. You're right.
You do still have that one.
What
What does that do, though?
It's the big one.
It's a big one?
Yeah.
It's just smoky.
Close it.
It's mad water.
Because what he did was like kind of OD, bro.
Hey, hold on. I think
Yeah.
Because what you did wasn't as big as that. Like, he did something bad.
And even now, I didn't even throw that as bad.
That's what I'm saying.
Or his setup. I could have. I probably should have.
I don't even know where y'all blowing at each other's room.
No, we good though. We good.
What the fuck is y'all
Y'all even
on?
now?
No, I'm up one.
It's-
He's
yeah,
doing
it's-
the whole way.
it's good, yeah.
He's doing the whole way.
Like, niggas about to fuck my hat
Oh, you
up.
up one?
Yeah, I'm up one.
I got a calm fit today. Outfit of the
But
day.
alright.
Outfit of the day. Calm shit. Nothing too crazy.
I'm gonna be honest. This is one of my favorite shirts of yours. I like this shirt.
Feel me? Niggas fucked up the slides too. Why they fucked up my slides, chat? I might have
So
to-
you done with this shit, bro?
Yep.
Yeah, bro.
Why they